One afternoon, Shin-chan found an old teddy bear lying near the school gate. No one was around, so he picked it up and took it home. That night, as the house slept, Shin-chan heard a faint whisper right beside him. The teddy set's stitched mouth moved slightly, and it whispered, "You shouldn't that have taken me?" Shin-chan turned slowly toward it. Frozen in fear, the teddy bear blinked. By morning, the teddy was no longer in his bed. It was across the room, watching him from a shelf. When Shin-chan asked his mom about the bear, she just smiled and said, "What bear?" Later, he looked out his window. Near the school gate, the same teddy sat alone, facing the house, smiling.